Hey. Hey, chunky thighs.
It's back. Olive Garden's buy one, take one. Go for dinner tonight and take home a second entree for later. All for just $12.99. Choose one of 5 favorites like smoked mozzarella chicken. Then choose another favorite to take home, like new mezzaluna ravioli. Go for dinner tonight and take home a second entree. Buy one, take one. Just $12.99. Go Olive Garden and try our unlimited homemade soup crisp salad. $6.99.
What are you? Why are you coughing?
Nice. Yeah. It is pretty nice.
Become the world's most powerful fan. Get NFL Sunday ticket at no extra charge. Call 1-800-DIRECTV.
The Georgia Dome hasn't been started in 6 years since Matt Ryan and Mike Smith arrived in Atlanta in 08.